How to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. Let's get started. First, head over to godaddy.com and log into your account. At the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile name and select My Products from a drop-down menu. On the Products page, scroll down to the Domain section. Next to the domain you want to connect to Wix, click on DNS. Then, scroll down to the forwarding section. Under domain forwarding, click Add Forwarding. Next, we need to grab your Wix website URL. Head over to your Wix dashboard and view your live website. Right-click on the URL and copy it. Go back to GoDaddy and in the forwarding field, paste your Wix website URL. Now, you can choose the type of forwarding: permanent, temporary, or forward and masking. Choose the options that works best for you. You can always look up more about this if you are unsure. Once you have selected your option, click Save, and that's it. You have connected your GoDaddy domain 2 weeks, but it may take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.